Hello friends, this is Krishna. This is my first introductory video of my channel Mysore School of Aromatherapy. Here, through my videos, I am going to talk about aromatherapy. My aim is to explain the art and science of aromatherapy as simple as possible so that everybody can understand its basic or root principle and use it to enhance the quality of their personal and professional life. To understand the basic principle of any subject is extremely important. You all know about it because that understanding becomes the root and foundation. Now, let us talk about the main question for which this channel is. What is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy in simple words means healing through aroma. Healing through aroma. I am not using the word aroma oils or essential oils or absolute or carrier oils or oleoresin, but I have used the word aroma healing. It means the aroma which has healing property is used in aromatherapy in the form of essential oils, resins, absolutes, floral water, infusion, etc. Now I have essential oils here. So essential oil is a part of aromatherapy. I have, this is rosewood. It is very precious. You cannot find it easily. Even rosewood oil, it's almost banned. It's illegal. Then wood also becomes a part of aromatherapy. This is wax. Wax has aroma. This also becomes a part of aromatherapy. I have aromatherapy soap. This is the soap. Soap also becomes a part of aromatherapy. Then resin. This is frankincense gum resin. It is very soft and resinous aroma, very meditative. This is also a part of aromatherapy. Then I have other oils, and this is floral water. This is jasmine water. So water is also a part of aromatherapy. So all these stuffs, the products, there is aroma in it, and we are using the aroma to heal. Now do you understand? Aromatherapy is not only essential oil but is more than that. I talked about resins, floral water, carrier oils. Soap is also a part of that. Wax is also. Incense can also be a part of that. So till now we have understood that in aromatherapy the most important part is therapeutic property of the aroma, especially essential oils. Please remember that essential oils play a very big role in aromatherapy. I will explain to you why essential oil play a very big role. Anyway, now the question is, what kinds of oils do we use in aromatherapy? Because if you make soap, then I need oil for it, again essential oil. If I have this rosewood, then okay, let's forget about rosewood, it is a very rare. I have frankincense. Now frankincense is there, I have frankincense oil also, and the how to use the aroma, and that's the art of aromatherapy. And science also, I will talk about that also later on. Now the question, what kind of oils do we use in aromatherapy? I have 40 oils, about 40 kinds of oils over here. Rose, eucalyptus, cypress, palmarosa, peppermint, cedarwood, black pepper, sandalwood, and geranium. So many kinds of oils I have. Now why only 40? It's not that because my table is small. I can have more than 40 also, and there are many reasons why only 40 and why not 50 and why only 300. So it means, what kind of oils do we use in aromatherapy? It's like there is a lots of variety of food: Chinese food, Indian food, continental Mediterranean food, Korean food, Japanese food. Then we have so many varieties, but what kind of food do you eat? It depends from person to person on many circumstances, but we should know how to use. So here, what kind of oils do we use in aromatherapy? Daily oil ritual, oil price. It is very sensitive, very important, because the price of each oil is different depending on the brand also. History of oils, history of aromatherapy, home remedy, aromatherapy for babies, for sensitive skin, current world trend in aromatherapy, future of aromatherapy, and so on. So I'll be covering all these interesting topics in my next videos. I will cover all such aspects of aromatherapy one by one. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching it. If you have some comment or some suggestion, this is my first video. I think you might be having many questions, but I'll be covering one by one in my upcoming videos. Please wait for that. Still, if you have some comment or suggestion, you can put them in comment box. Have a good day. See you again.